I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my 7-piece roller paintbrush set. Now, as a person who has never painted before or done a home project like this, I found this painting kit to be super easy to use. There was one side where I poured the paint in, and the other side really helped me to get any excess paint off the roller. The roller came with a little notch on the handle where I could easily hang it onto the side of the tray when not in use, and it came with 4 foam rollers, 2 of them that were more kind of furry, and the other 2 were more foam texture. I love the size of the roller because it allowed me to do a really good detailed job, and I just absolutely love using this. And it also allowed me to reuse some of it, so it's a reusable tray, and I can also use it on several other projects. So I would highly recommend this. And that's my point of view.